Uy, puminto.
Okay, po.
Oh,
Starting from here, see the forest here is virgin, okay? Virgin forest.
Oh,
Long growth.
yeah, that's virgin.
It's very well preserved, protected by the government and also by the company.
That's good.
No tree cutting, no hunting here.
That's good.
We keep we keep that. 2025.
Yeah.
79. In Vietnam, you are 80. In Vietnam, we plus 1 year.
Yeah. Like the Koreans.
Like Korean also, yeah, like Korean plus 1.
Plus one.
Because we will count the time that the baby inside of mommy tummy is 1 year, right?
That's over there. Kaya pala.
Ayan o, wala na tayong makita sa pag.
Saan ba tayo?
Visibility na.
So nung sumakay tayo sa Genting yun nanang yun. Nasabi ko.
Baba. Lamig na. Uy, malamig na. Malamig na. Pagi. Oh, group picture.
Everyone come here. Yeah, ba mấy luôn đây. Please stay here. Better here, everyone. You can stand there. Make 2 lines, 3 lines. Let's go.
Toto. Oh, xin chào Vietnam.
Okay. Come here, everyone. I need to show you where is the meeting point, and I show you some direction here. For picture, and then for your beer also, you have the coupon for free beer, right? Later I will show you where to drink free beer. Here, there's some direction. Fantasy Park, there are a lot of game inside. Game, a lot of activity inside. Some free, some not free. Some you have to pay for that, okay? You go to this way and
Mapag talaga,
see
pag.
the Starbucks, right? Coffee, Rosa Coffee, right? Starbucks. In front of this, in front of this coffee shop, there is Rose Garden. Okay?
Dito na tatanaw, dyan ang meeting place. So yun, ganda.
Maybe you don't want to go moving around much. So if you tired, you can get inside the church. You can sit down inside. You can pray inside. Okay? Our meeting time is 3 p.m. Not now. Okay? So 3 p.m. Okay? 3 p.m. Now I will take you to visit Golden Hand Bridge. After Golden Hand Bridge, I will show you where is the restaurant for our lunch. And then after lunch, your free time until 3 p.m. Move your body, it's very cold. Move your body. Yeah.
Oh. Oh, may pababa ah. Alang matanaw. Mapag, alang matanaw. Xin chào. Ôi. Opo. Follow me, tara na.
Oh, tara na!
Mag-keep up with the
Tara na!
Kasi hindi, pag nandun tayo, hindi naman natin makikita na bridge yun.
Yung hand.
Ito yung bridge.
Oh, yun na sila sa taas. Picture na lang tayo.
Oh, there's the hand. Dalawa yung hand.
Dadaan tayo sa tunnel.
Gan, picture ba tayo? Picture tayo.
Ganda oh. Kahit saan ka pumunta, mapag.
Nasa tuktok kasi tayo.
Kahit saan pumunta, mapag oh. Uy. Luwang pala nito, ganda ng ano. Oh, yun oh. Kaway. Hope. Hindi makita sa pag yung mga ano yun. Oh, yan oh. Op. Kaway. Tara na. Oh, yun oh. Sasakay na naman kami. Sasakay po tayo. Sasakay na naman.
Makausap mo si Ryan para malaman ko ano yung
Dito. Okay.
Dito.
Tayo na naman na nagkita-kita.
Talaga.
Oo, tayo na naman oh.
Dapat mo.
Bababa na kami. Let's go. Hi. Let's go. Oh, yun oh. Dami pa papunta. Tayo pabalik na. Tayo na. Pagpakabusog kayo. Wow.
Oh, it's a ganda painting. It's good.
Ganda na ano.
Ito yung mga gilid.
Paano naiakyat dito yan ano? Paano naiakyat dito yung mga poste na yan? Lalaking marmol yan.
Ano, lahat ng gamit.
Ayun o, dito ro sa baba. Meron tayong ticket. Dito na kainan. Ayan o, dyan. Saan? Dito.
Dito. Ciao. Where you from?
Philippines.
Philippines. Thank you. Ciao.
Ciao. Ano tayo nagpituhan? Oo, ano? Kanya-kanya pa yan? Hello. Luwang ng kaya na ito. Ayan o. Hello. Ah. Sa apatan na lang daw. Oh. Rice. Brown rice. Ayun o, kain na, kain na. Ay, busog na. Sarap. Ayun o, tapos na kami kumain. Ayan o. Ayan. Uy. Tapos na kami, busog kami. Busog. Busog ba diyan? Busog. Dami pagkain, sawa-sawa eh. Sawa-sawa sa pagkain. Saan punta? Dami pagkain yan oh. Kada ano, kabilaan, dami. Sawa-sawa sa pagkain. Busog na busog. Oh. Yan oh. Wala nang ganong pag. Uy, castle oh. Yan yung dyan oh. Oh. Wow. Oh. Ito hindi na ganong ano ng pag. Kanina mano pag. Eh hindi na oh. Oh. Wow. Diyan ba tayo magkikita-kita mamaya? Ayun.
dumadaan din sa Bumibilis.
Ang dami, no? Mayroon pa yan, no?
Lumulundo kasi pagdating ko sa
Ang yelo.
saan? Po sa connection. Yung may poste. Well, there
Kasi yung pag ano eh.
are 3 more.
Dream more. So you keep it for memory. Because only you in the day.
Oh, yeah.
Nakakalula.
Yeah, we could, yeah. We only did like one.
How much? What is that? Labubu?
Labo!
Labubu.
Selfie na lang. Op, 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 op.
Yes.